deal with it. Does such a good job. Just sat down for the first time in 6 hours today. I keep forgetting that I am with child and I can't be standing for that long because then my body hates me for the rest of the day and like the following day too. I need to relax for a second. I also got these little socks. You're gonna die. I got these from a seller on Etsy. They're just neutral little Nike socks and I can't even deal with it. Like, this one with the bunny ears. Got the mocha chameleon cold brew, coconut sugar. I've been using these cups from Amazon and I really like them. They're just clear little mugs. Alright, so I've been getting questions about my eyelash routine. I shouldn't do this now because I ran out of my products, but I'm just gonna break it down for you. First, I curl, and I just use my Shiseido curler. You really have to make sure that you curl them well. Then I go in with this, which is my secret weapon. This is an eyelash primer. It's by Pamel. I get it on Amazon. I love this thing with all my heart. Can't live without it. My eyelashes don't hold a curl, so this is what I use. Then I go in with Glossier Lash Slick and I top everything off with Lancome Definicels, but I ran out of that one. So we're just gonna use these two today. Look, they're already straightening out again. You see, like I have to make sure that I curl my eyelashes like right before I'm going to be putting any product on it because they're really straight. I go in like on the tips vertically and then I go in horizontally. From root to tip, same thing on the other side. Then I go in with my lash slick and I do it in this order. Like this one's already a little tacky as opposed to this one, so I go in the same order. Vertically and then horizontally. You want to coat the tips and then you want to go from root to tip. And I always get mascara on my eyelid. Always. I just let it dry and then I remove it with a spoolie. And I usually don't go in with another coat of this, but since I don't have my Definicels by Lancome, which is usually my topper, I'm just gonna like do one light little coat. And same on this side. And while I wait for my eyelids to dry, I'm just gonna do my eyeliner. I've showed this so many times, so I'm not gonna show it. This is the Mario Master Mats. I get the black shade with an angled brush and I work it into my outer corner and then I clean it with a little precision brush that I have from Real Techniques. This thing. This is the brush that I use for my outer corner eyeliner. It's my favorite one. It's by Signa. It's super old, but any angled brush. And I have a tutorial on my eyeliner on TikTok and on Pinterest. if you guys want to see it. I'll try to link it below if I don't forget. Of course they're crooked. Of course. And now I'm just gonna clean my eyelid, which is actually my favorite part. This is so satisfying to me. Because it just does such a good job. Like, look at that. Bada bing, bada boom. Look at that. It's like magic. Wow. And that's it. Oh my god, it didn't come out as cute as it usually does. Like my eyelashes. They could have given a little bit more than they're giving right now. I mean, when I top my eyelashes off, it really does make a difference. So I'm upset right now. I'm upset that I can't give you the full fantasy of it all. By the way, using the big ice cubes, I know it's old school, but it doesn't melt as quickly as other ice. That's it for my eyelashes. And I also like this mascara. I can use this one by itself. This one's by Thrive Cosmetics and it's in rich black. And it's another tubing mascara, which are my favorite because I live in a hot climate and everything transfers on me. Very similar to the Glossier wand. So if you guys are in the market for good mascaras, I would try this one or this one. And I would also try the Lancome Definisals as a topper. And for sure, 110%, if you take anything from this video, it is that this is the best primer ever, especially if you have straight eyelashes that don't hold a curl. I've heard people complain about this. This is for the glucose test. It tastes like Gatorade. Stanley cups. All right, so here they are. This is the Stanley. It's huge. It's like the size of my arm, but it's very comfortable to hold. And this is the Yeti. For comparison, this vlog has now turned into a Tumblr review vlog. So right off the bat, I like how easy the Yeti is to close. You just have to go like that and you close it. The Stanley, you have to twist it and then open it, which I guess is safer, a little bit more spill proof, which is great, especially if you take it in your car often. Like I've had this top come off in the car and spill all over the place, but it is so convenient. So yeah, they're both nice. I like them, but obviously this is just so much easier to hold than this, but they're both good water bottles. So I think this one is like 30 ounces, 30 something ounces, and then this one is 40 ounces. Another thing that I like about it is that it comes with a straw, but I prefer putting my own straw because I use these flat straws. They're like silicone flat straws so that I don't have to pucker my lips because that can cause wrinkles if you're constantly doing it. So I'm gonna have to figure out the straw situation because I think these straws are a little too short for this huge water bottle. Other than that, I like it. All right, so that's my review so far. I really also like the fact that these straws, like I can bend them and I don't have to be like on top of the water bottle. I can be like at my desk, like this. So yeah, the straw is a big problem right now. But other than that, I think I'm gonna like this guy. One thing about me is that if I can pick one meal to eat every single day and not get tired of it, it would be tacos, without a doubt. Like I can make this every day and not get bored. That's it. That's all I wanted to say about that. yesterday I didn't vlog anything because we were preparing for the Hurricane Ian, and I'm the pregnant one, but apparently Roger is the one nesting because he rearranged the entire house. So I'm going to show you guys like what he did. So this is his little setup. He moved the table over there because he wanted more of like a studio vibe, he says. And then he moved the couches. He moved the screen over there. He did a pretty good job, honestly. So he put some of our furniture in storage just to give it more of like an open feel because it was just feeling too crowded. He moved the credenza over here with this canvas, which I will eventually paint. And then he even rearranged the room. So yeah, I'm missing some curtains that I removed because somebody had an accident on them. He's getting old, the dementia is setting in, and he forgets that he's house trained. But you know what? He could be worse. That's all I gotta say. Like, he is an angel, aside from the fact that he occasionally forgets that he cannot be peeing on the curtains. And I just got very tired of cleaning them, so I just got rid of them. I will eventually replace them. For the bedroom, he put the bed in the middle of the room, and then he put my vanity over there, and he added this old nightstand that we had upstairs, and he just like extended my vanity, so now it's like in the middle. And the reason it looks so dark is because we have our shutters closed. I have windows that go like, these sliding doors are all throughout the back and throughout the front of the house, so we have shutters that cover them. So that's why if you see it's dark there and there, it's because I have to close this later on today when it starts like raining heavily. Because right now it's like the calm before the storm, but it's gonna get bad. Hopefully not too bad. This is the new room setup. I just have to get my curtains back to be able to close this off. But that's what we're working with for now. And I think he did a good job. He has found his new passion for interior design. I have to put his collar on because we gave him a bath yesterday. And we moved all of the furniture towards the house. I have to bring down the plants. Very humid outside, hence why the camera is fogging. Yeah, I have to bring in the plants. I'm just gonna put them like around here so that they're not swinging all over the place during the rain. I'm currently waiting for my hair to dry. I just washed it, and I'm gonna finish doing some things that I have to do in terms of editing and stuff. Hopefully we don't lose power or none of that. So I'm gonna try to edit the footage that I have on my computer now before tomorrow gets here. And hopefully we don't lose power or anything. I really have to get this curtain back. As of right now, where I'm at, I don't think the hurricane is gonna hit us as badly as it's gonna hit the West Coast, but you never know. That thing can shift. So I'm just gonna try to prepare as much as I can today. We did groceries yesterday, and hopefully it doesn't hit us too hard.